Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to withdraw cashback earning money from Shopback using Maya or PayMaya. In a quick info about Shopback ay isa itong site and apps na pwede tayo magka-earn ng real money kung tayo ay nagsha-shop online. Kaya kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-shop sa Shopee, Lazada at iba pang shop online, ay download ka na at pwede mong gamitin ang referral code ko para makakuha ka ng instant 100 pesos na bonus cashback. Okay, so ipalo lang guys ang step by step at start na natin. And the next step ay open lang natin ang Shopback application. So click lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong accounts. So click mo lang dito. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung cashbacks and then yung lifetime earnings natin. So mayroon na tayong 1,841.75 cents na lifetime earnings. And then dito naman sa available to withdraw, ang minimum na pwede nating i-withdraw dito sa cashbacks ay 200 pesos. So since naka 239.12 cents na tayo, pwede na tayong mag-withdraw. And the next step ay click mo lang tong withdraw. And then dito sa withdrawal and then next dito lang sa withdrawal destinations ay kailangan lang tayong mag-add ng ating mobile wallet kung saan natin i-withdraw tong ating cashbacks. Okay, so click mo lang tong withdrawal destination. Alright, so mayroon bank transfer and then e-wallet transfer dito. Okay, so click mo lang tong e-wallet transfer. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong add an e-wallet. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa add an e-wallet account, so select ko lang dito kung saang payment method mo siya. Alright, so click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select ka lang dito. So mayroon ditong GCash, PayPal, and PMaya. Okay, so since sa PMaya natin ilalagay, so click mo lang tong PMaya. And then kailangan mo lang maglagay dito yung PMaya account name. So kailangan mo lang fill out ito mga kaibigan. Okay, and the next yung PMaya mobile number natin naka-registered. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-double check yung PMaya account name and then yung PMaya mobile number natin. Okay, so double check mo lang. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong add payment. Okay, so nakalagay na dito yung PMaya natin and then not verified. So kailangan lang natin itong i-verified. Okay, so to verify this account, click the verification link sent to your email. So pupuntahan natin yung ating email account para ma-verify natin. Okay, so dito sa ating email address, so please verify your withdrawal details. And then dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong verify details. And then madadirect tayo dito sa ating cashback applications. Alright, so your payment method is verified. Okay, so okay na siya. So makita mo dito yung account natin. Okay, in the next step, dito naman sa withdrawal amount, so minimum required is 200 peso. So ilagay mo lang dito is 200. And then, click mo lang tong withdraw. And then, magsisend ng verification code dito sa ating mobile number na nakaregister dito sa ating Shopback account. Alright, so kailangan lang natin i-enter yung verification code na masisend doon sa mobile number natin. Okay, once na-enter mo na yung verification code na send dito sa ating mobile number, and then next, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong next. Alright, so please wait while your request is being processed. Alright, so kailangan lang natin hintayin ito. So pwede mong i-click tong view withdrawal history. So click mo lang siya. Okay, in the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong withdrawal history. So click mo lang siya. At makikita mo na dito, so PMaya transfer, so yung processing na siya. Okay, so kailangan lang natin hintayin. Your bank withdrawal request is being reviewed and we will be processed within 3 to 5 working days. So kailangan lang natin hintayin within 5 days bago ma-transfer dito sa ating PMaya account. Alright, so ito na yung update. Last January 5, nag-withdraw ako ng cashback earnings. After 4 days ay na-receive ko na ang 200 peso na withdrawal cashback sa Shopback earning apps to PMaya account natin. So ito na yung proof. May na-receive tayong notifications galing sa PMaya. Ayan, so money received, you received 200 peso from Sendit. Ayan, so open lang natin ang ating Maya account or yung Maya applications natin. So login lang tayo. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito sa ating wallet balance na na-receive na natin tong 200 peso galing sa cashback earnings natin sa Shopbox. Ayan, so nandito na siya. So ito na yung proof mga kaibigan. Okay? So account type and then yung account number natin nandito siya, yung mga details natin. Right? So ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-withdraw ng cashback earnings app sa Shopbox. Okay? So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.